What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back at it again with another vlogs. I am getting ready to go for a party at church. I'll show you guys my outfit because I really like it. So the dress is from Cotton On. Shoes are from Target. Look at it, and I painted my toenails. Okay, too much on feet. We don't like feet. And then for jewelry, I have a necklace that my parents got me and some earrings that my mom got from the thrift shop that she went yesterday. And this is my outfit. See ya. Do it again. What's up guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today, I'm gonna go to the beach with Renee, and we're just gonna chill. It's gonna be pretty chill day actually. And this is my fit check. Oh, and oh my god guys, I got bangs. I did get bangs though. I'm going to the beach today with my friend. And I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Right now I have to do older sister duties and send Sophia, my little sister, to school and fetch my mom from the car servicing. Car service. I know where she went, but that's the plan. Oh my god. Outfit of the day. Shorts are from Cotton On. Shirt is from Quicksilver. Swimsuit underneath is from Cotton On. Earrings, I think Target. Yeah! My good old Vans. It's beach day! Okay, so my outfit for the beach is this romper from Ganda. And then this swimsuit top is from Cotton On. And then swimsuit bottoms are from, where is it? Target. And I ain't showing you that because we're not creepy. We're not creepy. We don't see that stuff, you know? Gotta keep it PG. And then the hat is from Sports Girl. Whee! Okay. We're at the beach. It's hot. What's the temp? 30. I'm slightly regretting it.
I didn't bring sunglasses. Can't see a thing.
Okay. Chivalry's not dead.
Yo.
She's a newbie.
If I fold my hat, I will look like a cowboy. Tell them about the acai stuff.
Okay, so we wanted an acai bowl, but we also wanted snacks. So then we went to IGA and we saw acai.
Acai flow.
And we said yes to it. And it's...
The acai part was good. The granola, not so much. It was not good.
So acai flow from IGA, we do not recommend.
Yeah, go to a proper place. And the lady was being hella weird.
she started popping like acai in one bowl, and then she just swapped the granola to another one, and then they swapped ladies. So it's like sus.
My phone overheated.
Like it's hot.
I can use it now.
She can use it?
Yeah. Yay.
False
Guys,
alarm.
it overheated and it said, please cool down before you use it again.
It was too hot to handle. So now I think we're gonna head in. I think Renee's getting heat stroke. Like, someone call the police. She's delusional. So I think we're gonna head in.
At least I can see now.
Okay, we'll update you guys next. Bye.
This is so zoomed in. Okay. Zoom out.
I was trying to be like a YouTuber. You know how they always goes like, oh, it's so zoomed in.
Did you see I did the side?
She did the YouTuber thing.
Like like,
Okay, go on. So this is sunscreen that we're using.
okay, a whole. Bondi Sands. Okay, just need it to focus. Harvest
That
pea crisps.
pea crisps.
Pea crisps.
Baked
And we also have honey soy chicken chips.
honey soy. Zoom in because it's lit. And then that's the beloved
Less
acai.
fat. Fake, not fried.
But there you go. Want something? So hot.
It's better now.
Better not. She there's life back into her.
So windy.
And we went seashell picking. So now we're gonna do a seashell haul. She picked seashell by the seashore.
Seashells.
She picked seashell.
She picked seashells.
Okay, let's go.
I took it because it has layers and it's also very innocent. And I thought that was really cool. Okay, now you go.
Ring dish.
Megan has many ring dishes.
I like this one because it had like
It can hold my rings.
it had like stripes and look cool. But it's not pearlescent, but it's very deep.
This is my next one. It's a flat one. I like it because it was flat, and I like it because it's got nice pinky purpley colors. It does this.
I like this one because it's gold. And this one because it was silver and pearlescent. This is stupid. I can't see.
Personally, I think this one is my favorite because look how pretty the inside is. Look, it's purple and pink. This is the most perfect seashell I think I've ever seen in my life. It's so symmetrical. See?
It's perfect.
I know, look how pretty it is. But I thought
It's not broken.
it was very pretty.
You guys, there's so much.
My bag! They really need to make beach bags with zips.
Oh my god, look at my
That
bag.
like where you can zip.
Oh! Look at all the sand! Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
It's not